Page number 42, line number 135. Shylock says, "Why, look you how you storm. I would be friend with you and have your love. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. Supply your present wants and take no duet of essence for my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer." So here Shylock, he is saying that now see the way you have become angry. I want to be friendly with you, okay, and what have your love, and forget all the humiliations, all the what insults that you have that you have disgraced me with, and supply you with the what, with the amount of money that you have asked from me, and take no do it, and for what providing you with the money that you have asked me, I will not be what taking any interest, okay, for the money which I will give you, and you will not hear me. And then he says that now will you not listen to me, because this is kind I offer. So here he says that this is kindness that I am offering you. Then Bassanio says that this were kindness. So here Bassanio says that yes, definitely this is kindness. Then Shylock says, here you can see Shylock says that this kindness will I show. Go with me to the notary and seal me there your single bond, and in a merry sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your flesh, fair flesh, to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me. So this dialogue of Shylock is very, very important. Okay, this dialogue of Shylock is very, very important, because here, what is Shylock saying? Shylock says that yes, this is a what kindness that I am ready to offer to you, and let us go, he says to Antonio, let us go to a notary. Notary means a lawyer, a solicitor, and there you can sign a simple bond. He says that we'll go to the notary, okay, the legal officer, and there you will sign a very simple bond. And in what kind of condition? In a what? In uh, a single bond, and in a very joking manner, that if you are not able to pay me back the amount of money which I have given to you on a particular date, in a particular place, the amount which will be mentioned in what? In the bond. Then he says that let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh. Then he says that as penalty for not repaying me back my money, as penalty, he says that I should be nominated, I will be nominated in fact, for an equal pound of your flesh. He says that if you will not be able to pay back my money, then I will be what? Free to take a pound of your flesh. I can cut a pound of your flesh from any part of the body that I choose. Then Antonio here says, content in faith, I'll seal to such a bond and say, there is much kindness in the Jew. So Antonio here, he says, though he has understood, okay, what kind of a bond Shylock wants him to sign, but still he says that I am content, I am very, very satisfied, and I am going to sign the bond, and I can say that the Jew, he is very, very kind towards me. Bassanio, then what happens? What he says? What is the reaction of Bassanio? He says that you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I'll rather dwell in my necessity. So here Bassanio, he says that you means he disagrees, and he says that you are not going to sign such a bond for me. I would rather stay in my present condition. That means he is ready to stay in the present condition as he is. Antonio says that, why fear not, man, I will not forfeit it. So here he says to Bassanio, do not be afraid, Bassanio, because I am not going to forfeit such a bond. Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires. And then he further says that within these 2 months, which is a month before the bond expires, what will happen? I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. So he says within 2 months, that is a month before the bond expires, I am expecting, okay, what am I expecting? I am expecting to earn how many times? Thrice 3 times, means total it is 9 times the value of this bond. He says that he is ready to accept that. We'll do till here today.